Well, if you're a regular viewer, you know last year we bought a boat. And what does every boat need? It needs a dock. I'm Ari, this is Edwards Creek Ranch, and today we're installing a dock. I found a guy on Facebook Marketplace that builds docks. He's getting ready to pull in. And he and I are going to install a dock. So we'll see how this goes. In the meantime, cut out some of these weeds. Here he comes. Oh, hey, pup.
You must be Ari.
How's it going?
Good.
Oh, you're a young man. Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Do you mind being on camera?
I don't care.
All right, I make videos.
You're good.
Got your dog with you?
Yeah, she goes wherever I go.
Lovely.
So.
Look at you. Well, it's Peter, right?
Yeah, Peter.
Yeah, this is where we're putting it. So, it's a little bit of a joke, because we bought last year, so we bought like a 20-foot pontoon, which barely can turn around in the lake. It's really just to go sit on. So my girlfriend's like, well, I just want to go sit on a dock. So this year I reached out and now we have you, and yeah, we're putting on a dock.
There you go. You're gonna have to partially kind of steer it off the trailer as you back up.
Okay. Garden's doing good. So I think I want the platform, you know, the deck to kind of go like this.
Okay.
And then that way I have room to back the pontoon in and just float it over and tie it up.
Sweet.
Yeah.
So that 4 foot wide section like
Yeah,
right
approximately
just
there.
to the right of the rock.
Yep, and
Have it rest like something like that.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And then just kind of I kind of want it perpendicular with the shore. You see the line?
Yep.
You know, so just kind of at those trees right there.
Okay.
That tall maple. That general, I'm not going to be so particular.
Okay.
Like it's a big thing to try to
Yeah.
play around with, and
Oh,
if
hey.
I don't like it, I can bring the skid
for
down here and move it around a little bit.
But I know what you shoot for now.
Yeah.
Roughly at.
The concern I have is that, well, I guess you got that tree to watch out for, so you might be putting one tire over that and one over that and going.
I'll fit. I'll fit.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
I'll be quiet.
Roughly at like 22 feet out. You know how deep it is?
Well,
Roughly.
I took that long extension pole and put a string on it with a magnet and put it out about 20 feet, and I was only getting 4 or 5 feet of string underwater.
Yeah, but roughly 4 to 5 feet.
I think.
Because I got those chain hoists.
Yeah.
Those make it so easy.
I would put it at about 5 to start with.
Okay. What's that, Rock?
Yep.
Okay.
You got it.
So,
Can you go, that's just go a hair more to your right. Yeah, I like that.
right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Boy, it got deep real quick.
Oh, wow, yeah.
Something happened. I may have misjudged. Well, we got this far. That did not go the way I planned it to go. Turns out this water is a lot deeper than I thought, and there's a bunch of muck in the bottom. So when we tried to roll it in, it wouldn't roll in. Peter, the guy who built this thing, is going to come back in a week or two, and we're going to try some longer poles and a few other things, and we're not sure. It'll be a little bit of an experiment, but we'll circle back on this in a week or so, and for you viewers, it'll be about half a second. All right, well, about a week later, Peter's coming back down from Sheboygan. That's the dock guy. We got some help on the way, and we're gonna see if we can get that dock in the lake. It looks good, Peter.
Hey, I'm glad you're happy.
Yeah. This is great. Heather's gonna be so proud of us.
That looks pretty close right there. A little bit lower.
All right, and just like that, we have a dock. Pretty cool, huh? We decided last year to get a boat, and we decided this year we needed a place to put the boat. So we found a guy on the marketplace, and he came and built us a dock, and now we have a place to park our boat and hang out and have a beverage, sit with friends and family. It's pretty nice. One of the things I'd like to do is get the edges of the pond cleaned up and make this a prettier little pond. So, all right, another project in the books. Let's go find something else to do. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.